All right, so now we're going to go through, look back at the text, and answer some questions. So first off, why did the author include illustrations next to each step? So I'm talking about these illustrations right here. Why do you think the author included those? Hopefully you said something along the lines of so that when you're doing the steps, you know what it looks like. So when you have pictures, it helps you visualize or know what something looks like. So if you're just reading the words, you might be like, I don't really understand what to do here. You can look at the illustrations and have a better idea. Whoops, I went too far. Hold on. There we go. All right, next question. What is the topic of this text? Remember, topic is just one or two words. So is this all about Japan, origami fish, squares, or ocean animals? All right, I really hope that you said, hold on, let me see if I can get this to work. It talks about Japan, but it's not all about Japan. It says you have to use a square, but it's not all about squares. And it's definitely not all about ocean animals, so hopefully you said origami fish. A clue is the title. The topic's often in the title. All right, let's try another one. What text feature gives you information about where origami is popular? What shows us where it's popular? A photograph, the illustration, a map, or a diagram? Which one of those shows where something is? All right, so actually, I don't think there's any photographs in here. Remember, photographs are taken with a real camera. Illustrations. There's illustrations that show what it looked like, but that's not where. A map. Ooh, there is a map. Maps show where something is, right? Let's keep that in a diagram. Remember, diagram is a picture, a photograph with labels, and there aren't even any diagrams in this. So it's got to be the map. The map shows us where. How do you make the fish's tail? A, fold up the bottom corner. B, fold the paper in half. C, with crayons. Or D, fold at the crease. So this is a type of question where even if you know it in your head, look back in the text. Figure out which step you do make the tail, and then read it again, and then see the best answer. All right, so let's see. What step do they make the fish's tail? That's in step 6. So you're going to look here in step 6 and reread it. Fold up the bottom right corner. This is a fish's tail. So how do you make the fish's tail? Fold up the bottom corner. So we have to look back, find our evidence. And I think I have one more for you. Which detail supports the idea that origami was very popular? You must use a square piece of paper. Origami is an art form of folding paper, or almost all Japanese children learned origami. So which one of these details proves that origami was popular? And here we have that almost all Japanese children learned it. If a lot of them learned it, then that proves it's popular. All right, guys, good job reading this and answering questions with me. You can actually make origami fish if you want. Just pause the video, read through the steps, and make your fish.